gunner shit a little easy.
Off the drugs causing mayhem. I can't say the demons, goddamn. When I gaze around,
Wait, why you sound like Juice WRLD?
look in the mirror every day and say I hate him. Yeah, cause I gave my heart to a party girl. Cause I gave my heart to a party girl. Yeah, cause I gave my heart.
Hold on, bro. Am I tripping, bro? This nigga sound like Juice WRLD, bro. And if y'all know me, I fuck with Juice WRLD heavy food, but like, bro, am I high, nigga? Is this Juice WRLD 2.0? Hey, how you doing, baby? How you doing? Hello. How you doing, mom? Hey, fuck that nigga talking about how you doing, baby. Where you from? Dude, I'm not trying to know where you from, though. Hello. Oh, shit. Hey, I'm not trying to know where you from. Oh, my mama, what the hell? Oh, God. What the fucky? Oh, my mama. What the perky? Like, oh, God, nigga.